Acrylic glazing, or plexiglass, is a great alternative to glass because it is lighter and less likely to shatter. Before you begin peeling your acrylic, make sure your workspace is clean and free of dust and dirt. Have one hand on your acrylic to hold it in place while you use your other hand to peel the protective surface from the corner. Be careful not to touch the surface with your fingers. Once the first side is peeled, flip your acrylic onto your artwork and begin peeling the other side. We offer different varieties of acrylic glazing, including standard, UV, non-glare, and a combination UV non-glare. If you opt for acrylic with non-glare properties, note the sticker on the protective cover. Make sure the shiny side faces the artwork. This is because the matte finish needs to be on the outside in order to work effectively.